The owner of this home asked us to help them design and visualize their interior even before the construction was complete, and here's what we came up with. They wanted to avoid costly interior design mistakes and save money by making sure every furniture and decor piece matched their preferred style before buying anything. But here's the tricky part. The space is small, so every corner had to be used smartly. The look they wanted to achieve was modern, but with a soft Japandi touch. So we used a neutral color palette and chose furniture that was simple but intentional, pieces that felt calm, functional, and not overwhelming. They also wanted to incorporate wood textures to add warmth and coziness to the space. For lighting, the owner preferred warm tones and concealed fixtures to create a peaceful, cozy mood without harsh glares. In this video, we will design their living, dining, and kitchen. Let's start with the living room. It's a small space, just 7.8 square meters. And the owner's concern was simple but tricky. How do you make a small space look beautiful without making it feel cramped? Here's what she asked us. She wanted a seating area that could fit 3 to 4 people. She also requested an entertainment wall with a TV and a floating console. She didn't want the space to feel boring, so she told us it's okay to add an accent wall behind the sofa. On top of that, she wanted concealed or cove lights for a cozy vibe. And for the ceiling, she didn't want it to be plain white. She specifically wanted a hemp-woven stone. So we began designing the space. Since the area was still bare, we first suggested using 0.20 meters by 1 meter ceramic tiles. It would have been a perfect fit for the style she liked, but she had already purchased light gray ceramic tiles. So we said that works too, since it still complements a modern look. For the ceiling, we used flat ceiling with hemp-woven stone finish. Then we added linear recessed lights and small pin lights arranged in a balanced layout to spread light evenly across the room. On the main wall, we used smooth wood panels with built-in LED strip lights to create texture and warmth. Now for the furniture, we placed a low-profile off-white sofa styled with soft pillows and throws to add contrast. This was paired with a 2-layer coffee table, glass top and black metal frame, and a round gray ottoman for flexible seating. Beneath all of it, a neutral woven area rug to ground the setup. A modern arc floor lamp in black echoes the coffee table design, keeping the theme consistent. Next, the entertainment wall. We designed a floating curved console with a built-in backdrop and curved shelves, all softly lit with indirect lighting. This setup made the entire media area look more polished and high-end. A few ceramic decor pieces were added for personality, and they blended perfectly with the overall design. And under the stairs, we customized display shelves with accent lighting, a smart move to maximize that awkward space and make it look custom-built and elegant. Every piece in this room was chosen with purpose, so it feels clean, balanced, and stylish without trying too hard. If you liked this design, check the description below. We've added links to furniture that look just like the ones we used here. Next is the dining area. The space is quite small, but the owner wanted a 6-seater dining table. She also requested a tall cabinet that includes a coffee and appliance station and offers hidden storage for dining essentials. On top of that, she wanted a shelf divider beside the stairs. Now, when it comes to style, she asked for touches of black, but she also wanted an accent wall with a wooden design to add warmth. So here's what we did in the design. We kept the same flooring as the living area to create a seamless flow. But for the ceiling, we used a clean white finish with cove lighting around the edges to keep it simple yet bright. On one side of the wall, we added another wooden accent wall, just like in the living area, so the style stays connected. For lighting, we placed a geometric LED pendant light above as your main lighting, with a few pin lights around it for balanced illumination. At the center, there's now a modern fluted leg dining table with simple decor on top. It's paired with curved chairs in soft, neutral fabric, so the black accents show clearly in both the table and chair frames, just what the owner wanted. To complete the look, we added framed art. Next to the dining area, we installed a tall white cabinet with built-in LED strip lights. It has a coffee and appliance station and hidden compartments for storage, still with touches of black to keep the theme consistent. And finally, we added a shelf divider near the stairs. It subtly separates the space and gives room for books, plants, and small decorations that match the whole look. So, what made this dining area work? It's how every piece feels connected, but still adds something of its own. Now, let's move to the kitchen. It's also compact with just 7.8 square meters, but the owner had a very clear request. She wanted a U-shaped layout that includes a breakfast nook. Since the space is tight, the nook only fits 2 chairs, but that's enough for quick meals or a casual work spot. In terms of style, she still preferred something modern, but this time with a cozy feel, so we went with a soft, neutral palette and added wood elements for warmth. She also asked for lots of storage because she wants everything organized and easy to find. So, we divided the kitchen into 2 clear zones, the main U-shaped work area and the nook for seating. By using a U-shaped configuration, we made cooking simple and efficient. Cabinets stretch all the way across, maximizing every inch of storage. Even with all of that, there's still enough space to move around. So, even if 2 people are using the kitchen at the same time, the flow remains smooth and unrestricted. For materials, we chose a gray quartz countertop and backsplash. It's elegant, durable, and easy to clean. The base cabinets are handleless laminated units, a common feature in modern luxury kitchens. All major appliances are now integrated and aligned with the cabinetry to keep the space looking sleek. Kitchen tools and daily use items are stored smartly, so the counters stay clear and functional. For the upper cabinets, we used the same finish as the base and added a mounted range hood. These are perfect for plates, glasses, and dry goods, while open shelves beside them hold canisters that are used daily. We also added a tall cabinet with an open slot for the refrigerator. It's fully built in, matching the cabinetry, so it doesn't break the design. The window is covered with Japandi-style roller blinds. Simple, clean, and softens the space. Now for the nook area, we use the same countertop material, but with a fluted wood panel base to add texture and warmth. Above it, we placed a modern cone-shaped pendant light suspended from a ceiling-mounted wood slat panel that aligns with the bar below, so everything feels visually connected. We also included a glass display cabinet with open frames, perfect for showcasing bottles, glassware, or a few small decor pieces. To finish it off, we added 2 counter-height stools with curved backrests. They're sculptural and space-saving, giving comfort without feeling bulky. So, even in a compact kitchen like this, a smart layout and the right materials can create a space that feels both modern and cozy, organized and luxurious, all at the same time. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.